see. People look at my sugar cane plant last year when I just come up here, guys. Sugar cane and look nice. See that? Yeah. Peer them the guys. Peer them and swell up. Guys, this is the next two them. Yeah man. 3 here. So now try wash out the pen one little kind of way. Cause you tell her the truth. Wagwan peeps, wagwan. Yes no man. Blessed love people, blessed love greetings to each and every one. Yeah man, it's a beautiful day. Another content. Say no want to big up everybody. Oh papa. Want to big up everybody out there. All my anonymous subscribers, them when I want their name mentioned. Big up and bless up on yourself, yo. We appreciate the love 100% every single time, you know what I mean? Yeah man, big up all who take time donate to the fridge and everything. We appreciate the love, you know, on behalf of Wifey and King's Wicked Vlogs. Yeah man, we appreciate it so much. You get what me I say? Yes man, it's a beautiful day. We have to give God thanks. Every single thing, you know what I mean? No matter how small it is, no matter how big it is, we have to give God thanks because God is the greatest. Yeah man, and I'm the universe is me, so you know, we are do the right thing people. Yeah man, so this morning guys, you know, we don't know we have planned yet guys, but you know, we have to do something for you guys, you see me? Yeah man, so today, just stay tuned as I take you guys on this beautiful journey. You get what me I say? Guys, big up on yourself if you're new to the channel. Welcome. Thanks to be a part of our platform. Yeah man, welcome to the family. Yeah man, it's a joy and privilege to have you guys over here. Yeah man, and you know more. Take the time out for shout out a couple YouTubers. You see what me I say? Queen Orintia Vlogs, big up yourself every single time. You see what me I say? Big up and bless up yourself. Yes man. Vibes 39, you know, when I left you out, you know, big up yourself, youth. Yeah man. You don't know the thing going on. I figure you big up, you know. Yes man, 100%. You see it? Yeah man. And Oliver Unfiltered, big up yourself. You see what I say? Enough love and respect. Yeah man, we not left you out because you don't know the thing go. You see what I say? Yeah man, and you don't know any people. We have to big up the big man himself, Douglas. Family, lifestyle. Jano, big up yourself, Douglas family. Big up 100%. Yes, man. Vibes family. Big up on yourself, you know, man. Yeah, man. We have to big up in another one. Yeah. You know what me I say? Big up Chevy Nation. You see me and the kids, them, yo. Whole heap of love. Yeah, man. Harry and Alana, something like that. Big up on yourself. You don't know, love on always. Yeah, man. From one brother to another. A great love and love always. You see what I say? Yeah, people. So, we are going to get in the video. Stay tuned. Who not get them big up, no worry about it. Mr. Manix, big up yourself as well, you know. Yeah, man. And all who not hear them name, down in the video, I go now shout out again. You get what I say? Stay tuned, man. Watching the natural beauty in the background, guys. Yeah, man. Look at that. Nice, though. Sweet. Stay tuned. Aki the pan tree the people. Gonna zoom pan. Aki the pan tree. Peer them the guys. Peer them as swell up. People look at my sugar cane plant last year when I just come up here, guys. Sugar cane and look nice. See that? Yeah. Sugar cane and looking really nice. Look at that. Perfect, don't guys? Weed out the root there shortly. Nice, don't peeps. Nice rosemary tree, guys. Look at that. Good old basil tree. Some people pronounce it basil. Not sure if the right name that for it. This is the fever grass. Fever grass, guys. So guys, today I try wash out the pig pen. So guys, see pig them there? I take time I go and sort them out. Guys, this is the next two them. Yeah man. 3 here. So I try wash out the pen one little kind of way. Cause you tell her the truth. Water gone a pipe, so I stay tuned at me showing a little of this and a little of that every week. Try get it to the best of my ability. Chain I pen look. What now the appointment of time. I try see if I can wash it to as best of my ability still as it. Boy guys, me I tell you. Hi people, let me there I tell you say. Oh, this evening. Boy guys, me I tell you say. Too hard kid. I will pay for some sauce. We don't have the vehicle to go so far feet. You know, we have to go through the punishments, but just one of them things. Hope and pray the vehicle can get sorted out, you know? Can get to make the personal move they want me. You see it? I took a little time to sort out and people say don't know we are human beings, so we have to talk, you see me? Yeah man, so we just there and I express how we feel by missing the vehicle. You know, because the vehicle I utilize it in many ways. You know, to help out with the little chicken farm. That was one of them things the people. When they are going, you know, show the big pen and it's not go a show to your best thing, but once it's part then food I go clean me right. Yes, I know I feel it. Because I know the right pressure, so me have to try if put pressure upon it, you know, because throughout the black tank it come from, guys. So me have to try. Easy, you know, you see which part of which part of food we go clean. Yeah man, that's what I want. So I spend time. Normally still if you have the right pressure, it will not take me so long though. As you guys must figure that, you know. The water would have bounce harder. And then the end of the pipe are the opposite. It's the part of the screw arm on the pipe, but from the tank I have one part the way you can screw on a connection from also. For instance, a pipe cap. So you put the end down in it, guys. Awkward still people. Water for me to go in the wash you can take this letter point. Guys, remember I little pig down on the car the other day. So I don't surprise with your friend. Like I want to pregnant here, guys. You know what I'm saying? Remember that one the pregnant here. I just want to try wash them here with them to eat. So, you know. And then we just show the food. So later water come and me not finish the video. You know, me just show you guys when we come back and wash it out. Sometimes water gone regular, you know. Mostly night time they used to turn top. But when I see it turn on one whole night, look feel idea, it lock off you on 2 or 3 hours. And in the evening you get it back, you know. So that's one of them things. Boy, it a code for use my finger in the cell. A code bad, man. See your brand big, guys. You brush 100 pounds, you know, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you think you might brush 100. Just stay tuned for when I feed them up, guys. Feed them one day early, guys. Another one here alone over here, so. And 2 ain't gone. Like I'm on 50 more pig over in there. See that one that feed up there, guys. See that? Female one that, guys. And see the brand there. Yeah, man, let me know in the comment section how much you think the brand they wear right now, guys. And this is the next female one, guys. Feed up, yeah? That is it. So stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Yeah, guys, the kids in there play. Bicycle we want a back tire and then there a rim that same way. Think around people. The bicycle. What's up? What's up, Mills? Yeah, man.